Did you know that the Vivo X300 Pro is rumored to have a camera with a 100x zoom capability? That's like having a telescope right in your pocket. The Vivo X300 Pro is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, packed with features that are sure to amaze. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what makes this device so special. From its impressive camera capabilities to its sleek design, we'll cover it all. Vivo is a well-known manufacturer in the smartphone industry, with a reputation for producing high-quality devices. The company has been around for several years, and has made a name for itself with its innovative approach to smartphone design. One of its notable milestones was the release of its first smartphone, which was well received by critics and consumers alike. This success has led to the development of more advanced devices, like the Vivo X300 Pro. The Vivo X300 Pro boasts some impressive specs, including a powerful processor, long-lasting battery life, and a stunning display. Its camera capabilities are also noteworthy, with a high-resolution sensor and advanced features like optical zoom. The device also features a sleek and durable design, with a premium feel that's sure to turn heads. Additionally, the Vivo X300 Pro has a large storage capacity, making it perfect for storing all your files and apps. The device also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery on the go. Another key feature is its advanced biometric security system, which provides an extra layer of protection for your device. The Vivo X300 Pro also has a high-quality audio system, perfect for music lovers. The device's display is also HDR10+, providing a more immersive viewing experience. The Vivo X300 Pro is also 5G enabled, making it future-proof. The device's battery life is also impressive, with a large battery and power-saving features. The Vivo X300 Pro's design is also water and dust resistant, making it perfect for everyday use. In my experience with the Vivo X300 Pro, I've been impressed by its performance and features. The device is incredibly fast, with a powerful processor that handles demanding tasks with ease. The camera is also impressive, with clear and detailed photos even in low-light conditions. However, there are some drawbacks to consider, such as the device's size and price. Despite these drawbacks, I believe the Vivo X300 Pro is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone. One of the standout features of the device is its battery life, which has easily lasted me a full day. The device's display is also impressive, with vibrant colors and clear details. I've also been impressed by the device's audio system, which provides clear and immersive sound. However, some users may find the device's user interface to be a bit cluttered. Overall, I believe the Vivo X300 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone. The device's pros far outweigh its cons, making it a great option. The Vivo X300 Pro is also a great choice for gamers, with its powerful processor and advanced cooling system. In comparison to other smartphones in its category, the Vivo X300 Pro stands out for its unique features and impressive performance. While some devices may offer similar specs, the Vivo X300 Pro's combination of features and design make it a compelling choice. One of its main competitors is the Samsung Galaxy S series, which offers similar specs and features. However, the Vivo X300 Pro's camera capabilities and design set it apart from the competition. As someone who's spent a significant amount of time using the Vivo X300 Pro, I've had my fair share of experiences with the device. One of my favorite features is its camera, which has allowed me to capture some amazing photos. I've also appreciated the device's fast charging capabilities, which have saved me from running out of battery on long days. However, I've also encountered some challenges, such as the device's size and occasional software issues. Overall, I believe the Vivo X300 Pro is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone. The device's impressive specs, features, and design make it a compelling option. I'd give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on its performance and features. The Vivo X300 Pro is perfect for anyone who wants a premium smartphone with advanced features. If you're interested in learning more about the Vivo X300 Pro or other smartphones, be sure to check out our channel for more reviews and comparisons. We have a video on the best smartphones under $500 that you might find helpful. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let us know if you have any questions about the Vivo X300 Pro. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we look forward to hearing from you.